Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? Today we are going to talk about the mid-cheek lines. A lot of you were asking me to make a video on this one, and we are going to talk about what are the reasons, what you should be doing for it, and how you can make sure that it doesn't come back or happen again. If I talk honestly, eye area is also a problem for me also. So what happens here is that we are having a struggle of the two muscles that are fighting with each other and creating this line. So I did watch Coco Hayashi's videos. She is awesome, and what she was explaining was that if you talk about the muscles around the eye area, these are the sleeping muscles. As you can see from this picture, they are looking blue. That means they are sleeping. So when they are sleeping means they are not that much active, and they do tend to droop with time. And on the other hand, we do have the muscles around this area here which are in the red color. They are super active. So now let's talk about the remedies that you should be doing. Number one, I would highly recommend is doing the lymph drainage massages. Do the gua sha, and be using this side of the tool like this to drain the lymph. And I have already shared with you how to do the lymph drainage. I've already shared with you how to do the gua sha. Very good. Number two you should be doing is the facial cupping. I really like this one. In a way like this, and dragging it across and making sure that whatever fluid retention you have here, that is taken care of. Like, take your two fingers like this, start tapping around your eye area, and then I will also be teaching you acupressure. Very good for the eye area. So like this. After that, you really don't need right now any kind of oil. You are fine even if you do it on your dry skin. Number two you have to do is the acupressure thing. So make a like this, can you see my fist like that? You have to make like this, and then you're going to use this part of your hand to press across the bone here, starting from the innermost corner of your eye like that. Press it. Don't press too hard, but don't press very little that you don't feel anything, like this, and try to lift up a little bit of this area with your hand like this, and hold it here for 30 seconds. Move on to the next part of your eye area. Place it on your bone, little bit, you tuck it up, and you will be able to feel pain. You'll feel a little bit of lymph being drained. You'll feel like swallowing up something, and all of that is very normal. To the outer corner, place it here, tuck it, and push up little bit. You're gonna place it in the inner corner of your eyebrows like that, because we do have pressure points here. So start by joining them like this. Place it here. Again, move it across. Place it like this. Tuck it a little up. This feels so relaxing. Because yesterday also I was watching a lot of Instagram reels, and when we are talking about Instagram, do follow me there at Rachna Jintaa. So you're going to make a C like this from both the hands. You're going to place it around your eye area like this, making sure that this part goes below your eyebrow like that. This one holds the shape around this area, and this area just holds on to this place, because we don't want to crease anything here. We don't want any wrinkles to be formed. So make a C like that, hold on to this area like this, and then you are going to squint like this. So you can do it initially 20 times, then 30, then 50, and maximum you can do is 100 times. Number two you can be doing is lifting the lower half here, because you are seeing the lines here. So if you lift your lower lid, it will help in lifting this area, and it will definitely make sure that the cheek line is lifted. So you can do this V. Keep your fingers across like this around your eyes. Look down and squint the lower lid. Nothing else should be moving except the lower lid. So like this. Is very good. You can be doing it for 30 seconds initially, and then 1 minute. Alright. Then we have already activated this area. Now what do we do to calm down this area which is overactive? So you can be placing your finger like this here, because we don't want to pull our eye area like this. Keep it like this and just slowly calm this area. Don't be very vigorous. We are calming it down, we are not activating it. So we want to relax this muscle, so we're going to give it a gentle massage. Calm down. So you're going to do 1, 2, like this. You can do very light gentle strokes to calm this muscle. On the other side, with your ring finger or with your index finger, just calm down this muscle. So number one thing that you could do is to activate the cheek area is take your index finger like this and just place them around this nose, just where your nostrils end, this point here. Push it up like this for 10 seconds. Move. Again give it. Push it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make your fist like this. Keep them like this around your cheek, like under your cheekbone here. And then you want to tuck it in and push. And then wiggle. Whatever tension is there, that could be released. So definitely do give it a try. Do let me know what you think about it. Do like the video because it makes a lot of difference. Do comment below any of your questions. Do take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.